Hi, my name is Tim Schiff and I am the CEO of Apple. And today I'm happy to introduce you guys to our latest and greatest iPhone, the iPhone 12. This year we will have 4 different iPhones, and also we made the iPhones cheaper, very cheap. The iPhone 12 will start at $649. It's cheap, right?
How that's even cheap?
And next is the iPhone 12 Max. This phone will start at $749. This phone will be bigger than iPhone 12, but if you are those people that flex all the time,
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
these phones are for you guys. The iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max. Every iPhone this year will have a notch, but it will be smaller than previous version. Samsung and Huawei tried to make under the display camera, but you are still with a notch. Can you shut up? Sorry. This is the trailer. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.
Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And I'm out.
Peace.
Peace.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe